Dr. Luke, I know farewell. No! I was recording something. I know farewell, Daddy.
You're not?
Yeah.
Are you sick?
Yeah. Dr. Okay, Daddy. I'm ready to play already.
Oh.
No, I need your sword, please.
Oh, you can use the sword?
I can't do it.
Oh.
You know why I wouldn't work it? Just to show the camera. Okay. Now let me just do something else. Oh man, I found a good idea. That's a good idea. Or this, Daddy. Or this. That's a big.
Oh, that's a good one.
Wait, Jude. I want to do that.
Well, he just found it.
No, I
He's
used
the
it.
master lock picker.
He reminded
Now
me.
don't. Wait a minute. Okay.
I
So it's a known piece that works. You guys know all the pieces that work? How do you do it?
Wait. I'll show him how it. No.
Oh.
No. I'll show
Okay,
him.
Jude, we already have you doing it.
No.
Jude.
Oh.
Oh. Just hold on. Just let him do it then. We'll do it again.
You doesn't know how to do it.
Yes, he does.
That's my. See? Lock it.
He's the one that showed you that you could even do this in the first place. So.
No, I want to do it. I already.
What are you doing it with? An Allen wrench?
No.
But one of those little tools is going to break off in there, and no one's going to be able to get in.
Wait,
That's
no.
a bad idea.
That's not a tool.
No,
Okay,
toy.
then, Jude.
It's a toy, and it's not
Jude,
a good one to
let
use.
him do it.
It's too thin.
I know. This one's
Is somebody
really
knocking on their
strong.
door?
Probably the dog.
Ha! It's strong enough.
Okay, I want to go back in.
It's strong enough.
Oh. He knew he did it. He didn't have to try it. Oh. Hey, you just hit the camera. You just threw your lock at the camera. Hey.
What is it?
Huh?
I'm done. And I need something else.